Go High Level has done it again. I'm so excited about this one. I heard about it in Dallas in October at the Go High Level Level Up conference, but this one takes the cake. Imagine you have thousands of reviews that you have to respond to. When you first set it up and Go High Level, it's only going to respond to the new ones. So you have to go back there and manually do this for each one. Now they have a built-in automation. So you can see in this client has 2,527 replies to respond to that we haven't responded to since we set them up a year ago. Why? Because it's time consuming to do it manually. This way you can do up to 10 a day. I'm going to show you how to set it up and Go High Level. Super easy. You don't even have to know how to set up an automation to do this. Let's get started. All right. So first off, let's just recap, okay? You've got reviews here. And if you found an old one like this one, let's see, this is in Google, you'd have to click AI review, and then you'd have to wait, and then you'd have to respond to it once it generates it, right? And it takes time. So here we go, send, boom. And this is what it used to be, right? And it would take forever. You'd have to go through each one and do this. Now, once it's set up, and let's go over those setups for a second. You want auto responses on, you want to reply within a minute. We could debate that. You want your agent set up, and I'm going to give you a pro tip here. On 2 stars or below, you need to create some action on this footer right here. So anytime there's 2 stars and below, we've got a bot that says, if there's anything we can do to earn that 5-star review, please don't hesitate to reach out to, and this is feedback it, and this is where we want them to reach out. So make sure you have something set up like that. For my other restaurant clients, I have feedback, like a feedback page set up that they can go and it goes right to the manager with a text, and they can call them. Because a lot of times these guys aren't in your contacts, and you don't want to get into a back and forth with them. You want to take the conversation off of Google reviews and deal with it, and always make sure, because there's a lot of freeloaders out there, that you are saying, look, if I make this right for you, will you change that review? That's very important. Otherwise, you just got a freeloader and you're going to lose and you're wasting your time. But anyway, so make sure that footer's in here. Or some way they can contact you, or text a manager if you're a very small restaurant. That's fine. You want to handle that right away. So let's get this set up. So you can see in this one, we have over 1,018 unreplied reviews. So this is so simple. I love it. You don't even have to know. I'm going to say, we're going to title it, respond to old reviews. And you can go in here 7 days. You can go 1 day. I'll just leave it 14 for now. This is the max you can do. Now, if you do another automation, which I show you in another video, you can do up to 50 a day. This one will be daily and 10 a day, 9 to 5 local time. Choose your agent. 6 selected. We've got different agents set up for each review response. You need a different type of tone for a 1-star review as you do for a 5, right? So make sure you have that create drip campaign. There you go. And now this is going to start running at 1:32 today, and we'll keep watching it. Let's look at a couple of these other settings while we're in here. A lot of people kind of miss all the integrations. I mean, look at this. From the App Store now, you can only respond to Google and Facebook reviews for now, right? So, but why not make sure you have all your reviews in one place? Get DoorDash in there. Facebook, why is this not integrated? Let's get the Facebook URL in there. You don't even have to. If you've got an app with Toast, POS, put it in there. Let's look at TripAdvisor. Yelp, not integrated. This is low-hanging fruit. So let me look at this. Toast All Day, Savannah, Yelp. Let's look them up. You don't even have to have access to the Yelp or DoorDash to do this, okay? So let's do it here. Toast All Day, Savannah, Yelp. And we'll roll down here and grab the URL. You share. You want this URL right here. And then we're going to, that was Yelp, right? Place it right here. Boom. Now your Yelp reviews will be, it's going to pull in here, fetching reviews. Perfect, right? Let's do Uber Eats, or let's do TripAdvisor rather. TripAdvisor. Toast all day Savannah on TripAdvisor. So again, you can do this for your clients without access at all. Let's roll down here. Toast all day Savannah, TripAdvisor. Grab that URL. Paste it. And integrate. Same with DoorDash. Let's try to find their DoorDash. Toast all day Savannah DoorDash. There you go. Grab that URL. Copy. Where is it at? DoorDash. Dun, dun. So anything that you're getting a review on, I can't imagine even rentals as well and other things. DoorDash, ABC. Better Business Bureau. That's a good one. DoorDash. Integrate. Boom. Integrate. So all these, let's make sure if you did it right, it will say fetching reviews. Let me grab Uber Eats as well. Uber Eats, Toast all day Savannah. Now, the reason why you want to do this is it's going to give you feedback, AI feedback summaries that, you could only get maybe on Google. Google has them now. But let's see here. There we go. Boom. So now when you go to reviews, this AI summary is going to include everything with TripAdvisor and everything else, right? And you can go in here all, and then it's going to give you it's going to pull everything in here. Your DoorDash is everything. So I love this feature. It's going to be amazing. I'm going to reach out to every restaurant who hasn't responded to their reviews, or anybody for that matter, because if you don't respond to your reviews, Google's going to mark you down, penalize you. It's all about trust. If you're not responding to those reviews, Google doesn't see that trust. So make sure you respond to all your reviews. And now GoHighLevel has made it easy to respond to those reviews. And if you need a GoHighLevel account, feel free to click my affiliate link below. That will also get you access to our member forum, or go to goagency.com. We'll sign you up. We have a program for $29 a month that will respond to all your reviews, or 10 cents a review. So check that out in the links below. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm blown away. Thank you, GoHighLevel. This was much needed, and can't wait to rock it in 2026.